Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Sequoia hood. First, you will need to find the hood release lever inside the vehicle's cabin. This lever is usually located on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard, often near the door. Once you locate it, pull the lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the primary hood latch releases, signaling the first step is complete. Now move to the front of your Toyota Sequoia. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, usually around the center, near the Toyota emblem. You will feel for a small, secondary release lever or tab. This mechanism is designed to prevent the hood from accidentally flying open while driving. Push or pull this lever to fully disengage the secondary latch. With both latches released, gently lift the hood upwards. It should open smoothly. Next, locate the prop rod. This rod is usually found clipped to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay itself. Carefully unclip the prop rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or in the engine compartment. Make sure the hood is stable and securely supported by the prop rod before you begin any work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole. Carefully return the prop rod to its storage clip to prevent rattling or damage. Gently lower the hood until it is about 10 to 12 inches above the engine bay. From this height, push down firmly on the center of the hood. You should hear a distinct click as the primary latch engages, ensuring your hood is securely closed for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.